So we're back in Powell's Polytunnel. I've got a little bit of a kit. I'll send you a link in the details. It's not a promotion or anything, but so you can buy it if you want to. This is really bright, so quite impressive. So it's got 2 watts input power from China, of course, but it's really super bright. So it's got a sensor on, huge panel. I mean, that's a massive panel. Remote control, so you can change modes as well, turn it on and off. But obviously the idea is for a sensor. I'm going to screw these in a minute. So the idea is I'm going to stick it up here in the poly, and I'm going to put the panel outside just on my fence post, and then we'll get light in an evening when I really need it. And like I said, it's a big old panel, that, so it'll light up the whole poly. I can also pick stuff later on at night, which is cool. So I'll show you what it looks like up, and then we'll do a little vid in the dark so you can see what it's like. Okay, so the light's in, really quick to fix. A couple of screws in here. There's my cable, I'll just run it down to the bottom there. Let's have a look outside, see where it's gone. There's my panel on the fence post. You can clearly alter the angle. So our sun mainly sort of goes over this way, so this will be perfect, and then I can clean the panel. So that's my solar lighting in. Time to get on with a little bit of potting now. Get some seedlings put in. My racks look good. It's definitely, I think my string stretches a bit over time, but that's why it's adjustable. So hopefully we're looking good, but there's nothing snapped. And so obviously this is quite heavy. My seedlings won't be that heavy, so we'll see how it goes. We'll get some plants in the soil. So this is at night then. This is the light. So if I turn it, so that's actually above my head at the moment. I've turned it, and if I turn it this way, you can see how bright it is. So it's clearly illuminating everything. If I turn around, you can see that's crazy bright, isn't it? So I've just literally turned it on. I can turn it off, so there's some light coming in. So that's off, and then there, that's on. So that's crazy, that's really bright. So it's a lovely little light.